Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to hide online status on Fiverr mobile app. Why would you want to know how to hide online status on Fiverr mobile app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to hide online status on Fiverr mobile app. So today I am going to show you how to hide online status on Fiverr mobile app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If you are willing to hide your online status at Fiverr, the process is very simple. First of all, open Fiverr mobile app. Now you are seeing seller dashboard and seeing online status. If you want to hide it, click on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now you are seeing different options. Here you will not see the hide of online status. Click on profile icon. Here you are seeing online status. Click on it. There you go. If you wanted to know how to hide online status on Fiverr mobile app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.